Hi, it's me again with laser tips and tricks, and this video is about how to run a logo on a bottle after you've shown the customer what it's going to look like. And there's plenty of videos on how to, and I put it in red so the customer can see it better. And there's plenty of videos on how to make the bottle exactly 6.75 inches tall, so you can see what it's going to look like on the bottle and how it's going to wrap around the bottle. So then we're going to rotate everything to 270 degrees like it would fit in the laser. And because of the fact that this bottle can't use the clip on your rotary device, I put some ball bearings in there, some half-inch ball bearings, probably 20 or 25, and it kept it from slipping. Now, you've sent this to the customer and you want this in the exact same spot. So if you're going to use center engraving, there's your center right there. And we're going to put this right on that node, and there's the center of my logo, not necessarily the center of the bottle. And if you're fortunate enough to have a Epilog Fusion, you could set your home point at the bottom of that bottle with your red dot pointer and then measure this distance, and that distance is 2.88. If you have a Fusion, you can set your new home here, exactly on the bottom of the bottle, and then move your joystick over till you get to 2.88. Now, if you do not have a Fusion and you just have an Epilog or any laser that has a red dot pointer, you just need to center that line. You know it's 2.88, and just take you a plastic ruler and set on the bottom of the bottle and move your red dot pointer back and forth till you get around 2.88. Anything close, 2.9 would work, and then you can run that. And then just remember, I tell you what, let's take the glass away and take away our movement. Now I run my glass as just me. I run it about 80% black, and I run it at 300 dots per inch. And on my 60-watt laser, I use 100 power at 30 speed. The 300 dots per inch gives you a good etching, and it also makes it run quite a bit faster. This took 2 minutes and 5 seconds to run. I just had 24 of them to do and knocked them out in no time. And it's exactly where the customer okayed the job. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.